President Trump says he is taking hydroxychloroquine. It's a commonly used anti-malaria drug that he's repeatedly promoted as a game changer for treating coronavirus. Just last month, the FDA warned doctors about the risks of using that drug on coronavirus patients, including serious heart problems, and said it had not been shown to be safe or effective. But tonight, the president appears to be brushing aside those concerns, saying it was his idea to take the drug along with zinc as a way to prevent catching the virus. He says he's been taking it for about a week and a half. That's around the same time 2 White House aides, including the valet who serves his lunch, tested positive. And as we come on the air tonight, more than 1.5 million others have also tested positive nationwide, and more than 90,000 people have been killed right here in the U.S. But there is some promising news to report tonight on efforts to stop the virus. Moderna, a Massachusetts-based company, says at least 8 people in its vaccine trial have developed a positive immune response to COVID-19, and that sent the Dow soaring today, nearly 4%. There's a lot of breaking news to get to tonight, and we've got our team of correspondents covering it all. We're going to begin tonight with CBS's Weijia Jiang, who leads us off at the White House. Weijia?
Well, Nora, in recent weeks, President Trump actually stopped talking about hydroxychloroquine publicly as the FDA and other studies revealed of possible risks. But that did not stop him from taking it, which he says was his own idea that the White House doctor agreed to.
President Trump's revelation that he's taking the controversial drug hydroxychloroquine comes as top health officials warn of its potential danger. The president said he consulted with his doctor at the White House.
I asked him, what do you think? He said, well, if you'd like it. I said, yeah, I'd like it. I'd like to take it. A lot of people are taking it. So I'm taking the 2, the zinc and the hydroxy. And all I can tell you is, so far, I seem to be okay.
The FDA has warned patients not to take hydroxychloroquine outside of a hospital and not to take it to prevent disease, as it can cause heart rhythm problems. Dr. William Schaffner is an infectious disease specialist.
There's no real indication, no evidence base for the use of hydroxychloroquine as a preventive of COVID-19. I think doctors ought to not be prescribing this medication to people across the country for this purpose.
Rick Bright claims he was forced out of his job as the administration's top vaccine researcher because he was unwilling to push hydroxychloroquine as a treatment. Mr. Trump has described it as a game changer.
You believe you were retaliated against because you raised concerns about hydroxychloroquine?
Yes, I do. I believe my last-ditch effort to protect Americans from that drug was the final straw that they used and believed was essential to push me out.
President Trump said it was Bright who authorized with his signature the emergency use of hydroxychloroquine.
If he doesn't believe in it, why would he sign it?
But Dr. Anthony Fauci has said science has not shown the drug definitively works.
The data are really just at best suggestive. There have been cases that show there may be an effect, and there are others to show there's no effect.
The president has contradicted Dr. Fauci and other medical experts before.
Yeah, I hope to not be able to take it soon because, I hope they come up with some answer.
Tonight, the FDA is not commenting on President Trump ignoring its warning, but in the past has said since hydroxychloroquine is approved to treat other illnesses, the decision to use it for COVID-19 is really up to the patient and their doctor. White House officials, including the physician here, have not said anything beyond the president's remarks. Nora?
Incredible details there, Weijia. Thank you.